Okay, so this is a old, well, it's not an old, it's a traditional area called the Qaisiriyyah. So you find lots of stuff, man, in this place here. Okay, they did it up with the lights and all that stuff, but this is a really, really nice area. It's so nice that they put an ATM machine right outside the stall so you can get your money, but you find everything from spices, herbs, bukhur, shoes, incense, and this is one of the best here. This is kurkuman or kurkada, what they call red tea or purple tea, just like coffee. Anyway, you got your spices here, you got your shaky working here, you got your herbs. I just bought some bukhur from this stall here. I'm waiting on my friend. I don't know where he is, but this is the whole area. This area is in an area called Hufuf or Al-Hassa, depending on who you're talking to. And it's kind of like the same thing, but it's a really big central kind of hub for like lots of different shops and stuff like that. You got pharmacies out here. You got grocery stores, little side little stores. You got your shops where they sell like I can't get too close to some of the people, where they sell like the schmuck and the thobes and stuff like that. And these are what people think are thobes, but they're actually called dishdasha. And these are like the thobes that you wear in the house. And then you got the long sleeve joints, that's the Egyptian cuts. Okay. And then you come out. This is I don't know what that is. There's another place where they sell the schmuck. We'll go back around the other side. This is like the outside. We're coming to the interior. You can see all the shops in here. That's the other side there. Got your thicker beads and your cologne and stuff. Really, really, really nice. Really nice. And this is, I wonder if they got the same size here where you get all your t-shirts. There's a really good t-shirt brand called Drosh. That's like your high quality clothes and shop. So this is where they have your colognes and your perfumes. Now these aren't your oil-based ones, but they're nice. Then you got your herb things in here. This one is called Beauty something. Beauty perfume. Ah, so you spell perfume like that? Okay, beauty perfume. So if you guys come in El Hassa, that's where you go. Sister here, she running things. Alhamdulillah. All right, we move on. Beauty perfume. Got your schmucks there. No shortage of schmuck or kifaya, they call them. Okay, and then these things are called bisht. They got small ones for the little kids, those for the older ones. Got your flip-flops, kifaya, sandals, little thobes, and then you got your igal, what they wear over the top. Igal. Lots of stuff in here. And this is just the clothing side. This is just the clothing side. Got your fly sandals, depending on what kind of look you're going for. And then you have your rings and cufflinks. And of course, no decoration or accessory will be complete without the dhikr beads. This is your off-the-rack thobes. They're good to buy if you just need a thobe. But I don't buy them because they never quite fit me. And this area here, going further down, it's close to a masjid or something like that. There's a masjid in this area, little masajid. That's a nice thing about being in Darul Islam. You will never, if you're not praying and you live in Darul Islam, it's because you just don't want to pray. Because the salah is very easy and it's accessible. Then you got your izars over here. And they got hats. So I didn't see that. Those fedora or fedora-ish. Got your vests with your thobe. And then you got your watches, your sunglasses, accessories, man. Them thicker beads, boy, they be all out with them thicker beads. Shoes. Okay, now you're talking about a market, so it's not going to be like you could Stacy Adams or nothing like that, or valleys and stuff like that. But you're going to get what you pay for. But if you just need something quick to wear, it's there. Okay, I'm going to come out the other side. There's a little stall here for rent. So if you can find you some money and a product, get on in there. Lots of little areas. This place has been here for years. But years ago, these kinds of places were all outside. And alhamdulillah, since they I'm going to take a little detour down here. Since, so this is where all the abayas are. Okay. Okay. A little gym back in the cut. So on the outside perimeter is all of the thobes and the bisht. And then on the inside is all the lady stuff. Lots of stalls here for rent. This one is Layla Lil Malabis Rijalia. So this is a men's place. Okay, that was a little bit of a T-tour. We'll come back outside. Nice. Nice area. Assalamu alaikum. Now they got kufis with the same color as the kifaya. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong. Another perfume shop. And these are izars. I'm sure these izars are really inexpensive, but they're kind of everywhere. Okay. I'm trying to get to the other stuff. They got lots of other stuff. This is a very, very large souk. Very large. More violence, more everything. Got your shoes, got your thobes. This is where you come. Okay, now we're near the spices. These are dehydrated lemons. Combs. Look at everything. I don't know what that is. Lots of spices. This is like your frankincense and myrrh, and that's all your bulk spices. Little of everything. Little of everything. So this is the inside perimeter. We're gonna head shoot on the outside because the advancement call. Got your canes over here. Okay, we're gonna come. I think this opens out into a mall as well, if I'm not mistaken. You got your abayas here again. Just depends on what your flavor is, man. You know, when you in the Arab world, you got all kind of different people that are Arabs, and they're not just Saudis. So Danielle, the Abayat. So it's another Abaya store. Abaya. And you got your traditional stuff for the kids. Nice, man. Real nice. And of course, what's this one? 40 for Yeah, Fawis, this is your oud shop. I think they're closed for the salon. Your oud shop. There you go. There you go. Don't start getting jazzy now. They sell stuff they can deal with you out here. I think most of it's ceremonial. Okay, we're gonna hang back on the outside. There's another little herb and spice shop. السلام عليكم. ايش هذا؟
هذا بخور جاوي.
بخور. الاسم هذا؟
جاوي.
جاوي. هذا جاوي. وهذا؟ نفس هذا. ايش الفرق؟
رواية.
ها؟
رواية.
رواية؟ هذا من هنا؟ كيف تسوي هذا؟ بس الكسر ولا هذا الفروم؟ So you just break it and then you set it on fire. تريد الفحم مع هذا؟
مع الفحم.
Okay. So I asked him if you need the charcoal with it. And then there's more. All that, mashallah. See, all that is bukhur or incense. But this is like the raw, like in its natural state. MashaAllah. Assalamu alaikum. Okay. All right. Nice, man. See, you get to see another side of the earth, man. Different experiences, different cultures, different languages, man. If you can get a passport, brothers and sisters, get one. And if you can get a passport, get out the country, man. At least for a little while, you know. see what's out there. Nice area. This is a coffee shop. Cool. I can't read. I don't have my glasses on. But anyway, nice. And you see the shops. Alhamdulillah, you in Dar es Salaam. Place gonna close up for the Salah. Now, that's not mandatory in all cases, depending on where you live and who you're dealing with, what city you live in. But in most cases, back in the past, when I was here a few years ago, it was mandatory. You had to close up. You can get fined if you didn't close for the Salah. Now, whether you're gonna go pray or not, that's your business. But you got to close up. Now, this particular